Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
US President Donald Trump hailed talks with China in Switzerland on Saturday, saying the two sides had negotiated a total reset in a friendly but constructive manner. The meeting lasted for about 8 hours, but neither side came out with an official statement. Oil prices settled nearly 2% higher on Friday and notched their first weekly gains since mid-April, as a US trade deal with the United Kingdom turned investors optimistic ahead of talks between top officials from Washington and Beijing. China's car sales in April rose for a third month, as government-subsidised auto trade-ins mitigated the impact of US tariffs on consumer sentiment. Passenger vehicle sales in the first 4 months of 2025 were up 8.2% from the same period a year earlier.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.